Nag-iisip ka bang mag-business at nag-iisip ka ng idea kung ano yung mas magandang pasukin? Or may business ka na tapos kailangan mo ng additional capital, kailangan mo ng investors para palakihin siya? Well, meron actually yung forum ngayong Thursday sa AIM Makati and libre siya, no? Para siyang Shark Tank, pero Filipino version, no? May mga magpi-pitch ng business nila para makita mo rin paano ba nagpi-pitch sa mga investors. And then yung audience is halo-halo. May observer, may investors, no? From age 20s, 30s, 40s, 60s hanggang 80s. And actually, yung pinaka-batang audience is 8 years old. So, wala namang limits doon. And marami kang matututunan, no? May portion din sa umpisa na ideation na mag-uusap kung ano yung mga trends ngayon, tas ano yung mga possible na business na itayo dahil dun sa trends na yon. Ang daming matutunan, no? And kung available ka ngayong Thursday, that's 7:30 a.m. sa IIM, libre naman siya. Register ka lang dyan sa link sa comment sections. And papakita ko na rin sa inyo, no, yung mga sinasabi ng ibang participants, bakit sila nagjo-join dito sa forum na to. Ang tawag is PhilVenCap or Philippine Venture Capitalist.
Yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa PhilVenCap ay yung merong inanalyze na trend, tapos nag-pitch in yung mga tao ng ideas nila on what business to make out of the trend. Feeling ko yun yung something na hindi ko naririnig sa labas kung saan lang. Mostly mga advice kasi I presented my business sa PhilVenCap. Tapos a lot of people came to me and gave their advice and also their support. So I think yun yung golden nuggets ko for today.
Kasi para makausap yung mga big minds sa entrepreneurship and makahanap din ng mentor. Yan, kasi nasa business tayo. So, isang takeaway ko sa PhilVenCap is mag-surround sa mga taong open-minded and also keep the bad vibes outside. Sa inside yan, marami tayong good vibes. Yan yung kunin natin.
And the reason we go to PhilVenCap every month is we get an injection of ideas. This is our think tank. And also for Johan's preparation as an entrepreneur. And today's biggest takeaway is you really need an ecosystem to grow and build your business. You cannot do it on your own. And you want to have people around you who share the same values beyond the technical skill set that can follow. But primarily, you want to be part of an ecosystem where the people share your values for partnerships, in terms of investment and suppliers and whatnot.
Group. See you this Thursday.